In this tutorial, we will guide you on creating licenses for master and client accounts on Social Trade Copier. First, visit www.socialtradecopier.com and log in. Once logged in, download Social Trade Copier files from the Downloads tab. Navigate to the Master tab to create a license for your master trading account. You can create licenses for MT4, MT5, and C-Trader Masters from this tab. To create your master license, go to the top right corner and click Add Master. In the pop-up window, enter a username of your choice and your trading account number. Remember, you will need this username for your expert advisor. Now let's create licenses for clients in Social Trade Copier. Similarly, you can create licenses for MT4, MT5, and C-Trader clients. Go to the Client tab and click the Add Client button in the top right corner. For the client license, enter the client account number, your risk preference, and select the master for this client.